First tonight on Western News at 6, in the cone. Right now, just about all of Florida is in Elsa's projected path. Elsa is currently making its way through the eastern Caribbean as the first Atlantic hurricane of the season.
That's right, and we are getting our first look right now at the damage that Elsa has caused in Barbados. Take a look. You can see down trees and damaged homes. First Warning Chief Meteorologist Tony Banoffi is here with the latest track and intensity.
And Jim, folks are just getting home, so what we want to do is bring them up to speed with what's going on with this cone. Earlier in the day, we were anticipating this to be a hurricane on landfall to Cuba. Initially, it had been downgraded a little bit to a tropical storm with the potential land interaction either with Jamaica or Hispaniola. That does not appear to be the case, and because of that now we think we're going to have a landfalling hurricane into Cuba. From there, the cone is beginning to tighten on up with those spaghetti models, but there's still a wide variety of scenarios still left on the table. So we're firming this up a little bit. Tuesday is definitively going to be the day, based upon what we're seeing now, that we're going to have some activity with Elsa. Good news is hurricane hunters are in there. Every 6 hours, there's the latest flight right there. They're going to dump into this thing, crisscross, get all the quadrants, assimilate all that data, put it in tonight's computer model runs. And when we see it tonight at 10 and 11, you should see a change in those spaghetti models, which may have an impact on the 11 o'clock advisory. You can see the winds now off and on 45, 55, even 65 miles an hour. Winds picking up on the north side of Puerto Rico near San Juan now approaching 30 miles an hour. Through Sunday, very good model agreement, but at the end, you can see how the models start to diverge a little bit. Better than yesterday, but they are beginning to tighten on up. So Monday night, if things go as planned, you're finishing up any preps. Tuesday, we're in the thick of things. And then by the time we get to Wednesday, things are winding on down. Last little piece of information here. Many of the models are keeping this a tropical storm. There are a few that stay a Cat 1, 2, and even one that's a Cat 3. We'll delve more into that and take a look at the wind profiles coming up here when I see you at 6:18. Guys, back to you.